Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun. Guys, let's head out.
Sure, come on by Sarge's surplus hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have too much surplus.
Of course I will. Please cooperate as I ask you some questions.
Oh, okay.
I'm about to commit a moving violation!
Oh, right. The wooden brake box. How could I forget? What with all the lessons?
You are a sight for sore headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac,
You can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night long.
Gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
Going on?
It's actually... Wow!
I want tire. I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done. You're interested? You call me.
In a lot of years, right? I love this guy.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Hiding, but there's a big blue sky waiting right.
One and only piston cup.
Hey, what? What's going on?
blinkers on. What? No, it's not. Hey, your blinkers on.
Good comeback, Cal.
I used to be a daredevil. What? That's right. Folks come from all around to see my...
Have a toast. Let's. I dedicate my win tomorrow to Miss Sally. Oh, sorry,
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love it.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Tiger is.
Oh, damn! There's smoke!
Can only be disarmed by the one who activated it.
Say it.
Deactivate.
You sure ain't no dirt boy.
Not today, old man. I know all your tricks. Good job, man. Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job. Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his